Slick shit, man, that's all we do. Hold out, little homie, let me talk my truth. Made an Instagram for my cat, and my cat doesn't even rap and got more followers than you. Hold up, let me get my cat a bar. She's filthy. Hey, Cairo, come here, baby. Now my cat's more famous than you ever will be. Bad hustling, can't tell me nothing. I'm Brad Pitt's ugly cousin, but when you're drunk at the wedding, still gon' fuck me in the club. That's my cousin. Ain't you show me love? That's my cousin. You got me fucked up. That's my cousin. Like you don't know what's up.
Bradley, he's Cuzzo.
You're embarrassed, huh? I'm in Paris, bro. You brought your whole crew. I'm with my parents, bro. Every white dude in America went to the barber shop.
Give me the Macklemore haircut.
Australia, they heard of me. Germany, they heard of me. Japan, they heard of me. It's a murder scene, you gon' learn some things. My name, Ron Burgundy. I'm bad news with a pen flute and a fat suit. No can do, no, I don't work for free. I used to smoke that purple weed, sip a bunch of purple J. Yeah, that shit did not work for me. And now I just sip herbal tea. I'm posted at the swap meet in the road, eating church's wings. So cold, no emergencies. See me in the club.
That's my cousin.
Ain't you gonna show me love?
That's my cousin.
You got me fucked up.
That's my cousin.
Like you don't know what's up.
Brad Pitt.
Did it by myself, not a little bit of help. Nobody did nothing I know. I'ma need said God, please give me a deal. And God texted me back.
Don't be dumb, young man. Gotta do it yourself.
It's up to you to turn the pen into a machete and make sure that every beat that you meet gets killed. I treat the beat as like a pussy and I eat it up and beat it up and leave it popping. You cannot compete with us. I'm in and out of traffic in the Cadillac. Wait, is that a song on the radio? Wait, is that a song on the radio? I always dreamed of when I had peach bud. Shout out to the homie D. Who's D? D's not. Me, it's chicken legs and onion rings. If you wondering, yes, I does my thing. And another thing, no puppet strings or the company. We sucker free. I ain't tripping on what the public think. 10,000, we hustling. This shit didn't happen overnight. This shit didn't happen suddenly. We see me in the club.
That's my cousin.
Ain't you gonna show me love?
That's my cousin.
You got me fucked up.
That's my cousin.
Like you don't know what's up.
Brad